Hi everyone, this is Lou Navarro from MJL Realty TV. Ang kasama ko ngayon si Daniel Fugoso. Andito kami ngayon sa Bloom Residences. So papakita namin sa inyo yung fully furnished unit namin dito sa Bloom Residences. Tara, pasok tayo. Okay, so upon entering, ang sasalubong sa inyo, ang ginawa ng client dito is simple lang na dining area. So, dito siya. And dito meron din two-seater na couch, and sa tapat niya syempre yung TV and maliit na cabinet para sa mga storage yun. And dito naman sa side na to, meron dito yung kitchen. So, may addition, ay dinagdagan na to ng client, dinagdagan niya ng overhead cabin. So, upon delivering, ang kasama na talaga is itong sa baba. Kasya rin yung decent size na refrigerator. And yung sa bathroom, ito, actually ang dinagdag lang dito is itong cabinets. Tapos the rest, ito na yung actual deliverable niya. Guys, dito na pakita natin yung first bedroom Bloom Residences. So ito na yung turnover niya. Ang ginawa namin is nilagyan lang namin ng single bed and yung cabinet niya para ma-maximize yung space. And actually, you have an option to remove this wood division. Pag kunyari, gusto mo lang ng one bedroom, gusto mo ng mas malaki yung dining mo and mas malaki yung living room mo, pwede mo siya tanggalin pagka end user ka. So dito naman tayo sa kabilang bedroom, which is the master's bedroom. And so naglagay tayo ng semi-double bed and same ng cabinet na nilagay natin dun sa first bedroom. And ang view natin for this unit is amenity view. So ayan guys. Nasa third floor tayo ng Tower A 2-bedroom unit of Bloom Residences. So guys, itong Bloom natin, lahat ng units dito is 2 bedrooms and napakababa ng monthly dito. So we have pre-selling and ready for occupancy here. So for pre-selling, meron kaming yung phase 1 namin for as low as 22,000 and sa phase 2 naman, meron available for only 19,000 per month. So walang spot down payment yun. Drew, paano ba yung RFO natin dito? And guys, so explain ko lang we have RFO units dito for Tower A and B. And we have an option para ma-turnover agad yung unit, which is mag-spot DP tayo ng 5% and ang magiging monthly na lang after that is 22,000 monthly for 35 months. So yan, we have also pre-selling for phase 2, meron tayong 19,000 monthly for pre-selling units dahil mahaba pa yung terms natin for monthly payment. So for phase 3 naman, same tayo with phase 1 na 22,000 monthly rin tayo. So Jaron, ano bang nakita mo magandang magiging outcome nito ni Bloom for rentals ba to? For end users ba to? Anong masabi mo?
Sa akin, personally, kung ako mag-invest dito, so take ko is yung phase 2 na pre-selling. Ang maganda yung potential nito for flipping. So ongoing developments dito sa sukat. Magandang strategy siya for short-term strategy. Parang profitable siya.
Ayan guys, so tama yung sinabi ni Jarrod, dahil nga nandito tayo sa may south, most especially Sukat Road, ang dami nating business opportunities dito, meron tayong mga commercial areas and yung BF homes natin malapit lang, which is sobrang dami restaurants dyan nearby. And most especially mga schools, hospitals, and business districts din dito sa Parañaque area. So yan, guys, explain ko lang na sobrang ganda talaga nitong Bloom, lalo na pag natapos na dahil we have total of 3 phases for this project and malaki talaga siya. We have basketball courts and swimming pools na marami dito and for families talaga siya. Thank you for watching our video for Bloom Residences and we'll give you an update for more projects we'll be vlogging. And yun guys, we'll be putting our numbers down below. Please message us for more inquiries.